Hey, if you want to boost the bass of your Xiaomi Buds 5, then we've got two methods. The first one, you will have to open the Xiaomi earbuds application, go into additional settings, and not here, we have to go for the audio effects, and here you'll have to go for an equalizer, and I can highly recommend you to go for the custom one and make this preset. So in my case, that's how it looks in the most of the time when I'm gonna listen to the bass music. So I can highly recommend you to make the same adjustment. And in my opinion, this is like the best equalizer for bass music on this earbuds. Also, you can change it by, when you are using some kind of the, streaming service, like in my case, this is the YouTube Music. So you will have to search for equalizer in this specific application. So that's how it actually looks in the YouTube Music, that you will have to go for settings, open playback, and here you can turn on an equalizer and set it up to your own preferences. Sometimes in some phones you can even find the equalizer in this main settings, but it's actually not available in my phone. But you can actually search if you have one on your phone model. You can find it in the Xiaomi, in the Redmi, in the Samsung phones. Yeah, that will be all.